Hello guys, my good name is Mercy na kama kawaida you're watching Mercy's Little World. Karibuni sana to my YouTube channel, and even before I go far, let me state this. My YouTube channel is always open for visitors. So if you've got some free time aside, please do not hesitate to go to my YouTube channel, watch my content, and also subscribe. Yes, also subscribe. For my returning subscribers, I really appreciate the support. May God bless you so much. So, in today's video, it is not much about a discussion or anything like the other videos that I make, but leo nimekuja kuwaomba. Today I'm coming to you needing your help. Yes, I need your help. Because I need to grow my channel. It is still small. I have not even gotten to 1,000 subscribers. And I thought, why not come to you? Because you're my support system, you people. And I know you're going to subscribe to my channel. So I thought, why not come to you and ask you for help? Like, I need help. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers here in the soonest time possible. Yes, so please, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and help me to grow my channel. For those who don't know, in order for one to be monetized, like join the YouTube Partner Program, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I am far from attaining the 4,000 watch hours, but I am not giving up. Uh, Step by step, mdogo mdogo, we are going to get there. But I really wanted to get to 1,000. You don't know how much I have earned to get to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. So please help me to get there. Please support your very own. Yes, it is not easy. Like, it is not easy to create content. Yes, we sacrifice our time, we sacrifice our resources, and a lot. It's a lot we sacrifice in order for you to see us make content for you. Yes, yeah. And also, let me say this. Maybe you're out there and you want to start a YouTube channel, or even you have started and you're not seeing progress. Please don't give up. Continue pushing, and you are going to see results as you go on, as you go. And for those who are starting, if you're new and you're thinking of, you're giving it a thought to start a YouTube channel. Uh, let me tell you, it is not easy. Yeah, I won't even lie to you. It is not an easy journey. You have to keep pushing. And one thing I want to advise you, yeah, some piece of advice I would want to give you. Before you start your YouTube channel, I know there is that thing, like, you think like, before you start, you count the people you are pretty sure they will subscribe to your YouTube channel. Like, you make a list of people that you think, hey, fulani fulani ata subscribe. I know so and so will subscribe. Like a list of people, like 100%, they will subscribe to your YouTube channel. Please don't make that list. Yes, get it from me. Don't make that list. Why? Because a bigger percentage of those people will never subscribe to your YouTube channel. Those are the people you rely on, like family, friends, and people you live with, people you associate with. Most of them, a bigger percentage, let me not lie to you, they will never subscribe to your YouTube channel no matter how you push them. And others subscribe and unsubscribe. Yeah, within some time they unsubscribe. Why? Because I don't know, maybe jealousy or something, or people, I cannot explain. I don't know the main reason as to why. But just start. Yeah, the best thing is to just start. Don't think of who will subscribe and who will not subscribe. Just start. Yes, and things will flow on their own. Things will flow on their own. And like it's always been said, you don't have to start after seeing the whole staircase. Do not do not do not make the first step because you can see the whole staircase. Make the first step regardless of how the staircase, how long it is, or how steep it is. Just make the first step and you find yourself at the top. Yes, you'll find yourself at the top. So that is a word of encouragement. But back to our main agenda of this video. Please guys, I need subscribers. So nimekuja kuomba subscriptions. Yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also watch my content and help me grow. I consider my channel to be still small. Yeah. I mean, there are people who are at 1 million. Yeah, people who are in have a million subscribers or even more. Yeah, so my channel is very small, is really, really small, but I'm taking a step at a time. Yeah. And I know I'm going to get somewhere by the grace of God. So, a moment of silence as I wait for you guys to subscribe. Yeah, maybe I should give you a few minutes for you to subscribe. So let's start. Mhm. Done. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much, and thank you in advance for those who haven't yet. I know you're going to support me. Uh, I'm telling you, it is not easy to wake up every morning or to wake up in the morning and dress up and sit before a camera to create content, and it is not an easy thing, and most of the time people don't watch it. People see it and they just brush over it. You before you sleep, you have 50 subscribers. In the morning you have 10 less. You find you have 40 subscribers. It is really demoralizing, and you have to encourage yourself every other morning, every other day, to keep going. Yes, to keep going. uh, Therefore, let's push, let's continue pushing. I know it's gonna pay. The hard work will pay one day. Yes, the hard work will pay one day, and we will encourage somebody else to start. Yes, to start or even to continue. Yeah. So maybe most of you people don't know that if you have 1,000 subscribers but you don't have 4,000 watch hours and your channel is 1 year old, what YouTube does, they take the watch hours and they leave you the subscribers. Yes, so you have like to start from square one. Yeah, as far as the watch hours are concerned, you have to start from 1, 0, not even one. You have to start from zero again. Yeah, so my YouTube channel is I think 5 months old. Yeah, it is 5 months old as at today. And so that is to mean I have like how many months to go? 7 months to reach to 4,000 watch hours. Yes, and I am positive sure that I'm going to make it. And I'm also counting on your support. I'm also counting on your support. So please do not tire from supporting me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please support me. Yeah, to get to where I want to get. That is it for today. And until the next video, bye bye. Love you.